It's been a little bit, hasn't it? Feels nice to sit down in this chair. Adjust that a little bit. And here we go. You know what? I'm actually going to stand up for this one. I think it's really important and belongs in the historical record. So I am going to stand, and this can go over there for now. For this episode of Creative Destroyer, a YouTube channel I clearly know what I'm doing with. I'm just the most professional influencer in the whole state. Anyway, here goes. This is a poem. It's called Out of the Ashes, and it was generated in Hugging Chat. I'll give you the model in the description. It's meta-llama open source thing, and like I said, the terminal was Hugging Chat. The search feature was on, and this is what it spat out. Out of the ashes, we rise again. From the ruins, we rebuild our reign. A state once ravaged by fire and flame, now stands strong with a new aim. The year was 2020, a time of strife, when COVID swept through, taking life. But Minnesotans, we refused to fall. We stood tall through it all. With resilience and strength, we fought. Together we rose above the thought of defeat, of despair, of fear, and worked towards hope year after year. Our economy, once in shambles, now thrives. Businesses bloom, and new ones arrive. Job numbers swell, and growth abounds. In every corner, a new sound. The economy, a driving force, leading the way, a better course. Creating jobs and careers too, for all with a desire to do. But it wasn't easy. No quick fix. It took hard work, blood, sweat, and mix of courage, grit, and determination to rise from the ashes, a new creation. That won't be around much longer. Continuing. So here we stand today, proud and tall. Minnesota strong, standing after all. A testament to what can be done when we come together under one sun. Let us remember the lessons learned and keep moving forward, never burned. For out of the ashes, we rise anew. Stronger, better. Minnesota, that's true. Again, a bot wrote this. An AI generative chatbot, open source, came up with this when I asked it to make a poem about Minnesota. And turn the search feature on. That's what we've been up to since 2020. That's how we've been feeling. And a machine almost perfectly made something to represent that. This has been the Creative Destroyer. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. And as always, subscribe if you like, and share if you care. Talk about nothing tested, nothing believed. Sheesh.